Hi there. As we like to say, there's a lot riding under your RV roof. Your roof's primary purpose is to protect the inside of the RV from whatever's going on outside, especially water. I'm Rudy, and I'm here to help you take care of your RV, most notably that all-important RV roof. But if you own a motorhome, I also have some pretty important information about your wheels and tires. After all, a lot rides on those as well. On this website, you'll find a growing body of resources to help you with answers to common questions, time-saving ideas, and helpful advice. Our resources include video, publications, and my RV Improvement Report. If you'd like, you can subscribe and receive our helpful bulletin in your email about every 2 weeks. Dicor Products is providing this service because we have found there's a real need for expert advice out in the field. And as the leading supplier of RV roofing and wheel products, Dicor has the experience to provide that help and advice. My expertise comes from Dicor, and I'm here on the web for you. Check out our resources and use the form to shoot us a question if you have a specific need. I hope you'll bookmark my page, as there's lots of new information coming. It's just one more way Dicor has you covered.